आप घंटों बिता देते हैं to clean the coffee stains of your white shirt. None of your friends or family want to sit in your car because it's better to take a walk than sit in your bouncy ride. Even your dog has started to become car sick. जागो मेरे दोस्त and realize that your car's ride has gone downhill. कार के ओडोमीटर पर हजारों किलोमीटर क्लॉक हो चुके हैं. Your tires have started to worn out because the camber is out. A sure sign to replace the old shock absorbers. Shock absorbers तब भी खराब हो सकते हैं when you drive briskly on bad roads and accelerate the wearing out process. Or maybe the shock mountings have loosened. Hi guys, welcome to Go Mechanic. मेरा नाम है करण. आज हमारे Go Mechanic वर्कशॉप पर आई है ये 2018 मारुति सुजुकी स्विफ्ट जिसके रेयर शॉक एब्जॉर्बर्स किसी काम के नहीं रहे. शॉक एब्जॉर्बर्स आपके सस्पेंशन सिस्टम का काफी क्रूशियल कंपोनेंट है. It shields you and your passengers from the discomfort of potholes and bumps in the road while ensuring the vehicle drives safely. Shock absorbers, often known as shocks, are hydraulic dampers that absorb the energy created by bumps in the road while driving, safely controlling the movement of wheels and preventing the car from bouncing as it travels over uneven surfaces. A good quality shock absorber can last up to 5 years, but एक shock absorber की life expectancy depends on many things. How many kilometers you have driven, what is your driving style, what sorts of road you use, are they urban or rural, etc. etc. Some telltale signs of a bad shock absorber are ride काफी bumpy हो जाती है, car will bounce off slightly on uneven road. Passenger will feel like being on a merry-go-round that keeps going up and down. There will be a perceivable drop in the cushioning of the car. You will actually feel the vibration of driving on uneven roads. You will hear a very audible thud and clonk while going through potholes or badly designed road bumps. So the total cost of this shock absorber replacement service was 4,500 rupees. पर कस्टमर को 1,000 रुपए कम देने पड़े because he is a Miles member. Miles membership के बारे में ज्यादा जानने के लिए ऊपर बने आई बटन पे क्लिक कीजिए. Like always, Go Mechanic uses 100% genuine OEM and OES components and never compromises with quality. And this shock absorber replacement service hardly took an hour. This is the old shocker we took out of our Maruti Suzuki Swift. Look at this. How easily and no rebound. It is of no use. And this is the new one. If I press this, see, it's coming back. So this was all for this video. आशा करते हैं आपको पसंद आया होगा. जाने से पहले इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर कर दीजिए. Subscribe to the Go Mechanic channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update. This is your buddy Karan signing off. See you on next Saturday. Goodbye and happy motoring.